an experiment with vinegar in these 2 cups and water in this cup. And we have 2 different colors of food coloring, red and green. And we have 3 quail eggs right here. Now we are going to put the food coloring in our vinegar. Archie, which color would you like?
I would like green.
Okay, let's pour them into our vinegar. Oh, yeah, you should be good, I guess. How do we mix this? I accidentally add too much. I don't want too much, I want it to be a bit pink. Now we are going to put eggs in each of our cups. Now we are going to wait 24 hours and see what happens to all these eggs. Look at this. There are bubbles on my egg. Ooh, there's bubbles on Archie's too. That's cool. It's floating. Did you just see that? The eggs in the vinegar are floating, but the one in water hasn't changed. We can't wait to see what will happen to the eggs tomorrow. Welcome back. Let's see what happened to our eggs. Looks like the one in water has no change at all, while the others are still floating. They don't have their shell. The skin fell off and it's floating. Let's see what happens after we take it out. It's so soft and squishy. Whoa.
Push, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Oh, soft and squeezy.
I'm gonna pop it.
I'm gonna pop it.
I can pop it?
Yay.
Well, I wonder what will happen inside. Hey, how do I pop this? Oh my goodness, that's so scary. Oh, gross, it's like slime. Oh, it's dripping at the yellow. This is gross, I regret. Oh my, leaking!
Do you know why the egg becomes soft and squishy after staying in the vinegar after 24 hours? This is because the hard shell of an egg is primarily composed of a calcium carbonate. Vinegar is an acid. It reacts with the calcium carbonate in the eggshell and slowly dissolves it. As it does that, it makes some bubbles, kind of like the fizzy bubbles we've seen in our previous vinegar and soda experiment. The bubbles are the carbon dioxide released from the chemical reaction. They are making the egg float after the egg is being surrounded by the bubbles. Underneath the eggshell is another protection of the inside part, which is called membrane. The eggshell dissolving doesn't affect this membrane. That's why when we take the egg out of the vinegar, we have a soft, squishy egg that's still in one piece.
Well, this is a fun experiment. It squirted. Thank you for watching. See you later, alligator.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.